Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove an object from your video in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, you want to go ahead and adjust your video. After that, you want to go ahead to this color wheel button, and you want to choose this window option where you're going to choose a pen. And basically, I'm just going to try to remove this cow. So you need to go ahead and draw around it these dots until they are connected. And now you want to go ahead and click on this tracker button near this, and you want to go ahead and play the video. Now, as you can see, it tracks this, maybe not 100% correctly, but it tracks. And now what you want to do is go ahead on library on effects and search for object removal. And you want to drag this node right there and add it here. And after this, you want to click Scene Analysis. It will remove the object from the whole video in every single frame. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.